breaking news that's coming in. This is the Parliament passing new jobs bill after late debate. New G Ram G bill has been passed in the Rajya Sabha as well. Bill passed in the Parliament amid opposition ruckus. Next, the bill awaits the President's nod. Shivraj Singh has come out to in fact say that this is MGNREGA name kept for poll gains. Kharge threatens of protests against the jobs bill. Kharge has also come out to say that do you want protests and road blockades? People will hit the streets and face bullets. Lok Sabha opposition tore the bill through at the Treasury bench. That is the developments that's taken place in each of the house, with each of the leaders coming out to put forward their own perspective on the bill. We've seen in the past 2-3 days how the bill has caused enough ruckus within the houses, with one of the major points being looked at as to why is the name being changed, with Mahatma Gandhi's name being omitted. And yes, those are the very visuals of how it was torn up in the Lok Sabha itself. With that, we'll quickly take a look at some of the reactions.
I shall now put the motion moved by Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan for consideration of the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin VPG Ramji Bill 2025 to vote. The question is that the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin VPG Ramji Bill 2025 yes, passed by the Lok Sabha to be taken into consideration. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted.
पहले इन्होंने महात्मा गांधी के नाम पर नरेगा का नाम नहीं किया, लेकिन जब 2009 में चुनाव आए और वोटों का सवाल आया तब महात्मा गांधी का नाम जोड़ने का काम इन्होंने किया। ये तो चुनाव के लिए महात्मा गांधी का इस्तेमाल करते। माननीय सभापति महोदय ये बात कर रहे थे बापू की, गांधी जी के आदर्शों की हत्या अगर किसी ने की तो कांग्रेस ने की। माननीय सभापति महोदय, महात्मा गांधी ने 1948 जनवरी में ये कहा था कि आजादी प्राप्त हो गई, कांग्रेस का जो काम था वो पूरा हो गया, अब कांग्रेस भंग कर दो, लोक सेवक संघ बना दो। लेकिन आजादी के आंदोलन की विरासत का चुनावी लाभ लेने के लिए पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने कांग्रेस समाप्त नहीं की और इनने बापू के आदर्श की हत्या तब पहली बार की। माननीय सभापति महोदय, बापू के आदर्शों की हत्या ये सदैव करते रहे हैं। इनने देश को बांट के बापू की हत्या की। कितनी बार बापू के विचारों की हत्या करेंगे? माननीय सभापति महोदय, आपातकाल लगा के बापू के सपनों की इन्होंने हत्या की, आदर्शों की हत्या की, घपलों और घोटालों का देश बना दिया हिंदुस्तान को। इनने फिर बापू को मारा, कितनी बार बापू को मारेंगे? माननीय सभापति महोदय,
ऐसा मंत्री जो करुणा में और गरीबों के लिए करुणा दिखाते हैं, वो इस मनरेगा को बर्बाद कर सकते हैं। आपका कोई ना कोई मजबूरी है, वो आप बाहर नहीं निकाल रहे। ऐसा ही एक समय आएगा जिस ढंग से आप 3 कृषि काले कानून को वापस लिए, तो ऐसा एजिटेशन आपको चाहिए कि लोग आपको गड़बड़ करने से, रास्ते बंद होने से, गोलियां खाने से यही पसंद है। उसी वक्त अगर आप ये करते हैं तो लोग मजबूरन रास्ते पे आएंगे, सड़क पे आएंगे, गोलियां भी खाएंगे, लेकिन इस कानून को सपोर्ट कभी नहीं करेंगे और हम लड़ते रहेंगे। ये जो गरीबों को जो सपना दिखा रहे हैं वो कभी पूरा नहीं होगा।
With that, viewers, we're being joined by Piyush Mishra on the broadcast with more details on this. Piyush, we've seen how the bill's been passed by both the houses now and it awaits the presidential nod, but there's a lot that's gone down in the last couple of days in terms of the ruckus and how each of the opposition leaders had to portray their own problems and, of course, counters to those problems coming in from the centre in terms of this very bill. We'll try and get that connection back, viewers. But yes, right now, this is what we are looking at. The opposition, in fact, tore the bill in the lower house as well. But finally, after a late parliament, after a late debate session, the parliament, both houses of the parliament, the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha, has witnessed debates on G Ramji bill to replace the existing MGN Rega. And now it's been passed in either houses, awaiting the presidential nod and the presidential signature to make it officially an act that replaces the existing rules, the rural employment scheme in the country. So this is the particular bill that we're speaking of. There are several points, one of the major ones being the MGN Rega would be for 100 days of employment, while this particular bill looks at 125 days of employment, that being one of the crucial differences. Of course, each point has been spoken about by either sides, the opposition as well as the centre in the parliament. But now, at the end of it all, we see the bill awaits the presidential nod as it's been passed in both houses of the parliament.